Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how we can convert quote to a sales invoice on Gekko accounting software. To convert quotes to an invoice, we need to go to quotes list first. So under invoices, there is quotations. Here our quote has been approved, so accepted. To issue invoice, either I can copy to invoice from here, or if I click on a quote, I can actually copy to invoice by clicking on this button. Now this quote has been changed to an invoice. We need to edit information. So invoice number is automatically generated by system and reference is still quoted there. We can amend date if we need to, otherwise just leave as it is. There is all information based on a quote. If we need to add additional services as been agreed, we can do it by providing information in the next line. There is all details defaulted from system, but we can still provide additional information if required. We can save as a draft or save invoice and send. If we save invoice as send, we need to make sure that email address is provided there so we can distribute it out. But if we have printed this invoice, we can actually mark as sent, and for example, if we have printed out and sent by post to this customer. Now active limited invoice has been added here and it is marked in status as sent. So in this episode, I showed you how you can convert quotes to sales invoices on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.